Canva has released 4 new animation features. In today's video, we are going to learn about them and explore them. I hope you enjoy this video. Open Canva and go to mobile video. Those that are using horizontal video, you can open video. Choose a blank canvas and go to uploads. Choose your image and bring it onto your canvas. And don't forget to resize and reposition your image. And give your canvas some color. Make sure that your image is centered. Now this is the fun part where we are going to start to animate. Now in the toolbar, go to animate and go to these 4 new animation features. The first animation feature we're going to talk about is the rotate animation. This is what happens when you tap on this feature. It rotates your can. It can also rotate your can 360 degrees. And depending on which direction you want your can to rotate, it can either rotate to the left or rotate to the right. Our second animation is called flicker. When you tap on the animation, it's going to give you a flickering effect. You can also increase the speed or decrease the speed of your effect. Our third animation is called pulse. When you tap on the animation, this is what it does. It looks like it's popping out of the frame or of your canvas. You can also increase or decrease the intensity of your animation. And our last animation feature is called wiggle. Let's check out what wiggle does. You can also increase or decrease the intensity of the animation. This is what it does. These are 4 new Canva animation features you should try in your project. If you found value in this video, subscribe to Motion Mix 350 and I'll see you in the next video.